Thank you, God. In the beginning of the create the heaven and the earth. And the earth was without form and void, and the darkness was upon the face of the deep. And the Spirit of the God moved upon the face of the water. And God said, Let there be light, and there was light. And good was the light, it was a good, and good divide the light from the darkness. And God called it the light day, and the darkness is by the night day. And the evening and the morning were the first day. And God said, Let there be a firmament in the midst of the water, and let it divide the water from the water. And God made the firmament and the dividing the water which under the firmament of the water which were above the firmament, and it was so. And God called the firmament heaven, and the evening and the morning were the second day. And God said, Let the water upon the heaven be gathered together into the one place, and let the dry and the appear, and it was so. And God called the dry and the land, and God called the dry land earth, and the gathering together of the water called his sea. And God saw that it was good. And God said, Let be the earth being forth grass and herb yielding seed, and the fruit tree yielding fruit after his kind, whose seed itself upon the earth. And it was so. And the earth brought forth grass and the herb yielding seed after the kind, and the tree yielding the fruit, whose seed it was the itself after his kind. And the God saw that it was the good. And the evening and the morning were the third day. And God said, Let there be the light in the firmament of the heaven to divide the day from the night, and let them be the sign and the season and the seasons and the 4 day and year, and let them be for light and the firmament of the heaven to give light upon the earth. And it was so. And God made together light, and the gather light to rule of day, and leisure light to rule of night, it made of the star also. And God set them in the firmament of the heaven to give light upon the earth, and the rule over the day and over night, and the divide the light from the darkness. And the God saw that it was good. And the evening and the morning were the fourth day. And God said, Let the water bring forth abundantly, the moving the creature, the hath life, and the fowl that may fly above the earth in the upon the firmament of the heaven. And the God creature great whale, and the every living creature that moved, which the water brought from abundantly after their kind, at very wicked fowl after his kind. And God saw that it was good. And God blessed them, saying, the be fruitful and the multiply, and the fill of the water in the seas, and the let fowl multiply in the earth. And the evening and the morning were the fifth day. And God said, Let the earth being from the living creature after the kind, cattle, creeping things, and beast of the earth after his kind. And it was so. And God made the beast of the earth after his kind, and the cattle after their kind, and everything that creepeth upon the earth after the kind. And God saw it was good. And God said, Let us make the man for image after our likeness, and let them above the dominion of, over the fish of the sea, over the fish of the sea, and over the fowl of air, and over the cattle, and over the earth, over the every creeping things that creepeth upon the earth. So God created the man is his own image. In the image of the God created he him, male and female created he them. And God blessed them. And God said unto them, Be fruitful and multiply, and creep and replenish the earth, and subdue it, and have dominion over the fish of the sea, and over the fowl of the air, over every living things that moveth upon the earth. And God said, Behold, I have given you every herb bearing seed, which upon the face of all the earth, every tree, in the which of the fruit of the tree yielding seed, you see it shall be of the meat, and every beast of the earth, every fowl of air, every thing of creeps upon the earth, where there is the life, I have given every green herb meat. And it was so. And God saw everything, and he had made, and behold, it was very good. And God was very things he had made, and behold, it was very good. And the evening, the morning were the sixth day. Thank you, God. Thank you of God.